Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from PC to iPhone using USB cable without iTunes. Let's get started. You can't transfer files directly from a PC to an iPhone with just a USB cable if you're not using iTunes or a third-party desktop app. However, there's a clever workaround that uses your USB cable for charging while your files travel wirelessly through your browser. We'll be using a fantastic free website called snapdrop.net that creates a direct private connection between your devices. First, the setup. Plug your iPhone into your PC using the USB cable, but only for charging power. This ensures your iPhone battery doesn't drain during the process. The actual file transfer will happen wirelessly. The most critical step is to make sure both your Windows PC and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for the two devices to find each other. Now, on both devices, open a web browser. On your PC, use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. On your iPhone, open Safari. In the address bar on both browsers, type in snapdrop.net and press Enter. When the page loads on both devices, you'll see a minimalist, clean interface. After a moment, your PC's browser window should display a circular icon or tile representing your iPhone, usually showing its device name. Your iPhone's browser will similarly show an icon for your PC. To transfer a file, go to your iPhone's Snapdrop window. Simply click and drag any file from your desktop or a folder on your computer and drop it directly onto the icon representing your iPhone. You can drag multiple files at once. Immediately, a notification will pop up on the Snapdrop page open in Safari on your iPhone, asking if you want to download the file. Tap Download or Save. The file will download directly to your iPhone's Downloads folder in the Files app. To access your transferred files, open the Files app on your iPhone, navigate to Browse, and look under On My iPhone for the Downloads folder. All your transferred files will be there. You can then move them to any other folder you like. That's the complete process for transferring files from your PC to your iPhone without iTunes, using your USB cable for power and snapdrop.net for a fast private wireless transfer over your local Wi-Fi network.